Kendall, have a breakfast? Oh, yeah.
Thanks so much. Let's see here. We've got new video in of Joran Vandersloot being transferred by Chilean police. He is the suspect in the death of a woman in Peru, but you might remember him as the former suspect in the disappearance of Natalie Holloway. How is the timing of these two cases very strange?
You're so cute. You're so cute. Now the spoon handle. Yeah, chew on the spoon handle.
3 out of 4 Americans know they need life insurance, and many who have it know they don't have enough. Sound like you?
Okay, let me have a back. You want to try another bite?
Dreams of a good education. They don't have to. You can guarantee those you love $200, $500, $750,000 or more with life insurance. We'll help you get more for your money. Up to 75%.
Okay, that's my finger you're sucking on there. That's my finger. That's my finger you're sucking on there.
That's up to 3 times what you can get from other companies for the same
Okay,
price.
give it back, give it back. Candle cakes, candle cakes.
Already contacted Matrix Direct. The call is free. The quote is free.
Hey, baby. Wrong end. You got the wrong hand now, darling. Like it's another spoonful? It's gonna take a long time to eat this way.
We want justice.
You see that's the wrong spoon end? Oh, there we go.